Okay, so today we're looking at stems and tails. So when it comes to notes with stems, do they go on the left side, do they go on the right side, and depending on what side they're on, do they go up or down? Very confusing if you don't know the rules. So the rules that I stick by are notes need to look like a D or a P. So when the stem is on the right hand side, it goes up. When it's on the left hand side, it goes down. We don't want any Q's or B's. That's bad. No Q's or B's. So a crotchet should look like this or this, with the stem on the right hand side going up or on the left side going down. When it's on a stave, the notes look like a D up until the middle line, and then they turn into P's. There's a standard music rule that applies no matter what clef you are on. Good ways to remember it could be dogs and puppies, so D and P, or dragons and princesses, D and P again. Just up to you how you decide how to remember your D's or your P's. Now for the next thing, tails. So once again, what direction do the tails go, left or right? So let's start with a couple of crotchets here that I want to turn into quavers. The rule for tails is whenever you have a tail, it goes right. So tail always travels to the right hand side of the note. No matter what, there are no exceptions to this rule. However, if you want to beam two notes together, so let's say that we have two quavers and we want to beam them together, what we do is we remove the tails and insert a beam between the notes. This does not affect which way the tail is going because it is no longer a tail, it is a beam. It is also applicable if you have D's or P's, it doesn't matter. Now let's say that we have a quaver and a semi-quaver. If we want to beam these notes together, what we do is we remove the top tails, turn that into a beam, and then we remove the secondary tail on the semi-quaver and add a half beam. Now the rule with the beams is that the beams must always travel between the notes, not outside of the notes. It doesn't matter whether you start with a quaver or start with a semi-quaver, or you'll have a semi-quaver as your second note, or whatever, it does not matter. The beam must always travel between the notes. And that's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching.